If you want to actually make the Mobee app worth it, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I use it almost every single day to add to my side hustle stack to make extra money while I'm out. This app is different than Uber Eats or DoorDash or Instacart, so you're not going to be required to even have a car, so the restrictions to sign up are much more lenient. You don't have to send your license, your registration, or anything, and you're not required to go to customers' houses. You just have to go to the store and do these specific tasks. But what is it going to have you do? And more importantly, how much does it pay? Well, the first thing I want to get out of the way is that it does not pay in cash. This pays in gift cards, but before you click off the video, they have gift cards to almost any type of place that you probably already spend money at, including Target, Home Depot, and you could even cash out a Visa gift card. So you're going to spend money on these places. You could also do Uber and Dunkin' Donuts, places like that. And if you look at my profile, I've done over 511 of these tasks. Like I said, I do it almost every day now that I do these side hustles pretty much full time. I could cash out $21 worth of gift cards. So if I wanted to, any of these are available, cash it out instantly. But what are you going to do to earn these points to get these gift cards? Well, there's going to be different tasks. So there's going to be a map view, which is great. So you could plan your route. Maybe you have a regular job and you're passing by these places and you could stop there on your way or your way back, make some extra money throughout your day. Or you could do it like a side hustle like me, leave your house and make a route with all these and the other apps, which I'll tell you at the end of the video. So you can multi-app. To make it easier to see, you could swipe up. Now, when you look at the map, it may be a little deceiving if you're used to like Field Agent or other apps, because it looks like there's a lot of gigs, but the secret is most of them aren't worth doing, and I'll tell you the ones to avoid as someone that does this almost every day. So the ones that pay zero, I completely avoid them, obviously. Next, we have these ones. Show me the honey. This is going to be the most popular one. It's called Mobee. They kind of have like a bee theme, so I think it's based around this gig, but they want you to go to a store, a supermarket, CVS, Family Dollar, something, and you have to take a picture of the honey aisle, scan the honey product, take a picture of the back, take a picture of it on the shelf. It's kind of annoying, but some stores like Family Dollar will only have 2 products, but supermarkets will have 20 plus. So when you're doing this one, if you're at a place with a lot of honey products, it'll take like 10 minutes. But if you're at a place like Aldi's or Family Dollar that only has like 2 or 4 different honeys, then you'll be in and out in a couple minutes, $3 done. I would do these honey ones. Next is this one, Mattress Firm. Don't do this one. Anything at a mattress store, sleep store, these type of ones, I tried them and it was just impossible. I couldn't get it done. These stores, the people that work there get paid on commission, so they'll be right on top of you asking what you're doing. And if they know you're not there to buy something, they'll ask you to leave. So just ignore all of these ones. Then we have Best Buy. So these ones are going to be a little bit different. It's going to be kind of like a mystery shop. You're just going to have to take one picture and you're supposed to speak with a staff member. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to ask them for different stuff. It's like streaming, what's better, the Roku or the Fire Stick, stuff like that, or the best TVs. A lot of times they'll have like multiple of these $5 ones there, like 3 or 4 of them at the same store, and you can make like $15 or $20 at one Best Buy. So look out for those. Executional excellence. Don't do these ones. The ones that are over $10 will take you like half a day. I tried these ones and I wasn't able to finish it, and I'm somebody that does this for a living pretty much. So avoid those ones. And right now it's kind of slow. During holiday seasons, like Easter was coming up, that's how I made a lot of money. There'll be gigs at every CVS, every Walgreens, every 7-Eleven. There'll also be like Halloween, Christmas, candy, a lot of stuff with candy. So during the holidays, you could literally leave your house and do this for like 8 hours straight and make a couple of $100 worth of these points. So keep an eye out for that. It's going to have more gigs than other apps. Right now, it's a little bit slow. These ones don't really drop throughout the day, so you could check it like once or twice a day. They'll drop like more in the beginning of the month, and then towards the holiday seasons, you can make more. But that's not the only way to earn. They have an achievement and reward system. So like this one is $3, but you get a bonus. If you've never been to the store, you'll get like a 25-cent bonus. And then also these achievements. So this one, I did 30 gigs at Walmart and I got $12 worth of points. So there's other achievement points. This alone is not going to be a side hustle or a part-time job or anything like that. But if it's added in, but if you multi-app with other apps, and if you multi-app with other similar apps, then it actually becomes worth it. And if you want to see all the apps that I recommend that are similar to this, check out this video over here.